What is up, everybody? It's Xavier from Jacob and Xavier Weather, and today going over the severe weather. It's actually the first day of it. Um, yeah, okay. Well, okay. Today is March 1st, 2023. Happy what is today? I'm so sorry. Today's Thursday. Happy Thursday. Anyways, let's just dive into this video. Anyways, okay. I just have this put up here for looks. Well, also maybe I'll explain it too. So pretty much, like I said in the last video, the thunderstorms developing down here in Texas and Arkansas, they are now in Arkansas and western portions of Tennessee. I repeat, they're now in Arkansas and in western Tennessee. They have been moving, and this is as of 4 minutes ago. Like I said, they've been moving southeastward this way, and eventually they'll reach the Carolinas. But by the time they reach the Carolinas, it'll just weaken out. And yeah, so we have severe weather extending from Arkansas all the way up to looks like Columbus, Ohio. What is that, like a 500, 600 mile stretch right there? Yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Now let's go ahead and look at the weather warnings. Looks like we have what is? So I'm kind of doing this on the fly, guys. Yeah, there is a tornado watch for these places highlighted in the orange. Also says it right here: Alcorn, Benton, Bolivar, Calhoun, Carroll, Chickasaw, Clay, Coahoma, DeSoto, Grande, Lafayette. Yeah, it has all the names over there. I'm sorry, I cannot read. That's a tornado watch for those areas, including right here. They all include these areas right here on the left side of the screen, and right here. This is there was a moderate flood watch for these yellow highlighted areas, including look a little speck of it. No, there's a fire weather watch in Florida. That's interesting. But there's a flood watch and a tornado watch. One is moderate, one is severe. Wait, no. Yeah, sorry. And yeah. Also over here in Texas there is a high wind warning. Areas include Crane, Ector, Glassock, Howard, Martin, Midland, Reagan, Upton. I probably just butchered it. Anyways, that, and I kind of forgot to pull up the don't mind that. Totally was not on that website. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm doing this on the fly, guys, so don't mind me. Come on. Press on it fast. No. This is a pain in the booty hole. All right, what is today? Wednesday, Thursday. I believe this is the. Wait, no. Yeah. This is the current. This is the current day outlook. What? Whoa! What is this? Day 4. Day 4. Oh my goodness! Why didn't I just get all this prepared? Here, we'll just look at it from here. This is pretty much all of the highlighted it. Well, oh my god, we have them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're on day 2. Yeah, we're on day 2, I believe. Wait, 212. Yeah, we're on day 2. There's a moderate risk for severe weather in this area, and so on and so forth. You can just look at it right there. I'm so bad. I cannot talk today. Anyways, wind. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at wind. As of right now, looks like every. Well, no, whoa. That's my bad. Wind gust. Okay, as of right now, everything looks pretty calm. 8 knots, that's like 10 miles an hour. Over here in Mexico, we got 34 knots, which is about 40 miles an hour. 48 knots, which is about 50, 55 miles per hour over here in Phoenix, Arizona. In New Mexico, they're pushing about pretty much 30 miles per hour, 27 knots. But besides that, it looks pretty calm. But moving into the overnight hours, well, yep, one look over here in Tennessee. This big red blob, big red and purple blob just pops up. That's high wind because of the system coming from this way. I believe, yeah, this way. 32 knots. We got 34 knot wind gusts near Chattanooga. Over here in Memphis, it's pretty calm still. 10 knots. It just, the wind picks up quite a bit for some reason in eastern Tennessee around 4 a.m. tonight. And, well, it looks like for the most part the wind's staying calm. Oh, whoa, I might have been wrong about that. It looks like on Thursday around 10 p.m., a bunch of wind moves into Texas. Look at that, 48 knots. We got 52 knots. We got 52 knots in San Angelo, Texas. 46 knots in that place. I cannot read that because the thing is covering it. 50 knots in Alpine. It's just crazy. 41 knots in Kellen. And then that moves southeast. Going into Friday, around 7 a.m. Friday, it's now entered western Tennessee. Memphis could be seeing about, my gosh. Memphis, Tennessee could be seeing 41 knot wind gust around 7 a.m. on Friday. And then slowly it moves eastward. As you can see, we have some winds up here in the Smoky Mountains. I believe 38 knots, about 40, 45 miles per hour. All that wind starts to move into the Cumberland Plateau of Tennessee, including Nashville. Nashville could be seeing about 47 knot wind gusts. Cookeville over here, about 38 knot wind gusts. It moves eastward until it reaches about my area. My area, I can find it here, is right here. Could be seeing 32 knot wind gust. Maryville, 39. Loudon, 43. Oak Ridge, about 44. This is all about 50 mile per hour wind gusts. Over here where I am, about 40 mile per hour wind gusts. But then it enhances and it just pretty much gets stronger going into Tennessee. Widespread 40, 50 knot wind gust. Up here in Illinois, 40 knots. Missouri could be seeing about 39 knots. Up into Indiana, 40 knots. Over here in the Great Lakes region, about Michigan, could be seeing 45 knots, 50. Well, this is Michigan, my bad. 38 knots, pretty much 45 miles per hour. And then something like that. Down here, Kentucky and Tennessee seem to be getting hit the hardest. 49 knots, about 55 mile per hour wind gust. Then slowly it moves off eastward into the Carolinas. By the time it reaches North and South Carolina, though, it'll still be pretty strong, but like rain-wise and thunder-wise, it'll pretty much just be maybe some thunder boom or some rain extending all the way down into Georgia, parts of Florida. Let's just go back real quick. Oh my goodness. Huntsville, Alabama could see maybe a tornado out of this. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. And also tonight as well, they could... My gosh, how did I miss this? Tonight, at around 1 a.m., they're getting hit pretty hard, it seems, by a severe thunderstorm. They also need to watch out for supercells. Going into Arkansas, Mississippi, maybe portions of Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, need to watch out for the supercells, which is a rotating thunderstorm that could possibly produce tornadoes. And yeah, oh, looks like we got some more supercells over here down in Mississippi, Georgia. I don't know if they'll really do anything. They might, might just be a thunderstorm. We don't really know until it happens. But then, going into Friday, like I said, it'll go this way. Yeah, it'll pretty much go this way. We'll get some of those backside thunderstorms. Now, let's go ahead and check the GFS. The GFS, it makes everything look a little more intense. Just yeah. And there, also, I forgot to mention, there's pretty much a huge chunk of Tennessee is under 15% risk of a flood watch, including my area. And also, I believe Alabama and Georgia are as well, some northern parts of it. But yeah, the GFS just makes everything look so much stronger. I mean, look at that. 1 inch of rain, that's crazy. It moves in. Oh, Knoxville is going to get slammed. Especially my area is going to get slammed as well, according to the GFS. HRRR, let me see. HRRR is the shortest model. But just look at all that. It just gathers up into one big blob of thunderstorm. And then, yeah, it could cause some pretty high winds in front of it as well. Oh my goodness. This is an interesting setup. It pushes east. And once it reaches the Carolinas, it's pretty much just rain, maybe a supercell here or there. But my goodness, East Tennessee is going to get slammed. Not just East Tennessee, but as well as northern parts of Mississippi, northern parts of Alabama, Arkansas, especially Texas and Arkansas. But Tennessee is just getting a lot of rain. Yeah, wind, according to this. Well, my bad. Wind gusts. It could get whoopsies. It could get pretty gusty out there sometimes. What did I do? What did I do, guys? Well, yeah, there we go. It could get pretty gusty. 18 knots. Let's go back a little bit. 18 knots, 22, 19. I mean, it might seem pretty low, but it's still pretty gusty. Like I said, but going into Friday, well, no. Guess I can't go into Friday. Okay, well, I kind of messed it up here. 38 knots, I believe. When is this? Friday? I think this is Friday. Hold on a second. I was on the HRRR. Wind gusts. See, let's go right about here. Going into Friday. Oh, look, it legit goes from calm to just total. Oh my god, look at 47 knot wind gusts. Look at all this purple right here. All this purple is about 50, 55 miles per hour, maybe even 60 in some locations. My gosh, look, the whole state of Kentucky is just getting slammed. 54 knot wind gusts. Gosh, that's like about 60, 65 miles per hour, maybe even, I don't even, dang, that's just crazy. My god. Well, y'all stay safe out there. I'll try as well. Hopefully a tornado doesn't spawn or whatever. I mean, it's pretty unlikely in my area, but still, it's possible. Let's see here. Let's take a look at the NAM. Oh, maybe NAM. Pretty much showing the same thing. All the models are showing the same thing. They're all agreeing upon this storm. Like I mean, we've been seeing it for days, and it's just intensified too. This is actually a bombogenesis cyclone. On the icon, it's even stronger. 58 knots. Gosh, it's about 70 miles per hour. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, please consider subscribing. It would help me and Jacob out a lot. But yeah, see y'all in the next video. Peace.